Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize TikTok Ads Manager for lead tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your TikTok Ads Manager account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on the Tools option in the menu. From the drop-down, select Event Manager. Now, locate the Web Events section. Click on the Add Website button to start the process. Enter your website URL in the given field. After entering the URL, click Next to proceed. You will then be prompted to select the tracking method. Choose Event API for lead tracking. Next, click on Set up Event API to continue. Here, you will find instructions for configuring the API. Copy the API key provided for later use. Now, head over to your website's backend. Locate the section for integrating third-party scripts. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated area. Make sure to set up the necessary event parameters for lead tracking. Save the changes and ensure the script is active on your site. Return to TikTok Ads Manager to verify your setup. In the Event Manager, use the test feature to check if the events are firing correctly. Monitor the events to confirm lead tracking is functioning. You are now authorized for lead tracking in TikTok Ads Manager. This completes the setup process for lead tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.